Good afternoon, this is Jan. I'm at the IKEA today. I'm not here to buy any furniture. This is what I'm here for, the restaurant. The salmon fillet with puree, potato puree, cabbage and fennel. Let's try it. And some wine, Chardonnay. See how the salmon tastes. Nice, full flavor. Okay. Very tender. A bit of cabbage. Salty, quite salty, but nice. Potato puree. Right. And now I see there's some lemon. Sprinkle a little bit over the salmon. Chardonnay goes well with salmon. The creaminess blends well. Very creamy salmon. I quite like the cabbage. The saltiness. Plus, it's very fairly priced for salmon. If you buy this in the supermarket, it would be like almost the same price. I only had to pay €6.90 that is for all of this. And then the wine, of course, €3.50, but that's for like 25 centiliters, so that's already 2 glasses. It's not expensive, really. The price. And look at the view. This is a nice view. While I'm enjoying my last drop of wine, I want to say thank you and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.